Hey, my name is BÁTOR Adventures from Hungary. I live the life fully. I'm a backpacker. Backflip challenge accepted. My friend gave me 1 week. I only need 1 day. Woo! Here I am. Push your goddamn fear every day. Yeah, this girl's just changing on the boat. Like, I met Katrina, she's lovely, and also J.A.K, as she's a Hungarian. Sometimes no girls, sometimes too many. So it's like I have to find the balance again. And now I'm gonna eat and chill. I started to questioning these questions very early. I think when I was like kind of 15, 16 years old, I really saw what is wrong with the world? Like, why is so many things, so many suffering, so many shit happens? And then I started to get these questions like, who am I? What is the world? What is the meaning of the life? And why we are here? So I think when I was around 19, I really read so much books, started to seeking about these meanings. Today is my shopping day, and now I am already late to buy this carabiner what was just broke out from the boat. Today I'm going to an adventure with my friend. He's Hungarian and he's doing Vulcan walkers tours around the islands. Here we are the first from the group. It's gonna be 10 more people with us. Making a new bridge. BÁTOR. Such a lovely village. Finally the food came.
One shot, now the future is yours. Go! Yeah, I was building on a lecture. Verses coming daily under pressure.
Whoa! New friends. So many Hungarians here.
Working on the plot and the scheme. The true stock trademark is at the edge of your dreams. I'm talking one.
Hey guys, heading to sell my solar controller, the old one. I'm gonna earn $25 from this.
It's one art, one shot, now the future is yours. Go!
So here I am, and basically he thought this camera, his charger is connected with the panel, but it's not. So, and I was just pedal here 4 kilometers. I got a free pizza. Yay! Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
I don't know which day is today. Probably 14th of June. Yesterday night was a cool part on the boat. Changa, listening music, chilling, eating pancakes. Wow. And today I'm going to surf. Surf event wasn't work. The board can't be fixed right now, so maybe my friend's gonna have help me on the next week. We're gonna fix together. We're gonna buy some epoxy resin, and then boom. Let's smash the food right now. We're going to eat something. I'm so hungry. All right. Look at this. Wow. Wow. It's so early morning. And guess what? I'm going to hike today again to same place but another spot. You ready to getting wet again? Water. Over. Yeah? Go.
You go.
You go.
You go.
No, no, no. That's poor dog. Look at the guys, a new spot on the vlog. Check out, so many hot girls. Wow. Woo. Uploading the videos. I'm gonna try to sell my controller for $20. He was such a shitty guy. Tried to bet down the price. I already gave him €5. Surprise, surprise. We arrived back to the boat and the guy just wrote me this charge controller doesn't work for him. He's coming back, so probably I'm gonna give back the money to him and say sorry. Hey guys, here again with Robbie.
Yes.
They did collecting a lot of trash today from the beach. Yo, it's a new day on the boat. Riders on the storm. Wow, here I am with Anita and Richard.
Hi.
Hi.
I helped them and they were really nice and they invited me for dinner. Wow. Every sunset is amazing on this place. Wow. Yo guys, such a lovely day on Anchor. And today is, I don't know, someday, other day, every day same. I haven't decided yet, but I might leave my boat here for summer. It's a hard decision. Today I'm going to climb with my friend over the mountains, rock climbing. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. So check it out.
Close your eyes with me, start imagining a world full of love. We can change the stars with our hands and hearts, make them shine on us. But no, don't worry, darling, they won't stop staring, but soon they'll be caring. Come from near and far with their hands and hearts, 'cause it's time to stand up. Oh, the world is changing, and all I'm saying is we gotta believe. I'm a drop of water, but you know together we're the ocean deep.
That was a great day. I feel I challenged myself so much. No man, no cry. No woman, no cry. Say I remember when we used to sit in a government yard entrance down. Alright guys, I hope you like my latest episode, and if you like, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm coming out soon with a new episode. And you know, sometimes I have a lot of trouble buying new stuff for the boat, and I really want to keep doing this sailing life, but it's a bit expensive. So if you can do that, you can support me. I really need your help, so you can support me on the PayPal me link and the Patreon site, what I made just for this case. And I'm coming out soon with a new episode, so check it out, and see you next time. Bye.